Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This question is from CAT 18 slot 2 paper. A P, Q, R and S relation between them is given and we need to find out the value of log S and P, Q, R. Okay, we need to find this. So here we have S, log is of base S and PQR. A relation between them is given. So this is P to the power 3 equals to Q to the power 4 equals to R to the power 5 equals to S to the power 6. Okay. So if we convert this PQR in terms of S, probably we'll get something from there. Okay. So let's try that. So if P to the power 3 is equals to S to the power 6, can we write P as S to the power 6 by 3? So power from LHS, if we shift that to RHS, it will become 1 by that power. Okay. So 3 will become 1 by 3 this side. Same we do for squares, like if we have square this side, it becomes root that side. Okay, so this is S square. Similarly for Q, can we write Q equals to S to the power 6 by 4? Okay, so this is S to the power 3 by 2. And same thing we can do for R. So R is S to the power 6 by 5. So now the log, we have got PQR, so this can be rewritten as log of base S. P is what? S to the power 2. And now here we have multiplication of P, Q and R. So in case when they are getting multiplied, if we represent P, Q, R in terms of S, we can add their powers. So it will become S to the power 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Okay. So log to the base S and S to the power something. So this will get cancelled. Okay. And this expression can be written as 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Okay. So this will be 10 and 20 plus 15 plus 12. So 47 by 10 is the answer. So here only catch was this, if you have read log, it's like log of base n and n to the power something p, then it becomes p. Okay, so we need to know this, we get the answer easily. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.